Today, you and me are powerfully transforming your kitchen to a kitchen worthy of any ripped Eternian to help you go from dad bod to he dad bod. No needles, no BS, no power sword needed. All from a guy who spent over 20 years coaching men all around the world, from movie stars and champion fighters to regular dudes and dads just like me and just like you. So if you're ready, let's take back the power. It's been said, and I 100% agree, that the kitchen is the make or break room when it comes to living lean. But let me make this very clear. You do not need a fancy TV family style kitchen to make that happen. My last two apartments, tiny basement units with the worst kitchens you've ever seen. And my kitchens when I lived for almost 7 years in Asia, at best 8 feet by 10 feet, a bar fridge and a hot plate. No show house, no problem, no excuses. Now, I'll tell you this, not everything I'm about to talk I own, but I've done the research and I can promise you that every single thing I'm talking about, if I don't already own it, I plan on getting. So no, I never push crap that I don't or would not use myself or with my family or my clients. Now with that said, let's get cooking. Number one, non-toxic stick-free pans. Yes, there is real science here. Non-stick pans reduce the needs for extra oil, which helps control calorie intake without sacrificing flavor. Now you want to make sure that you're not using anything with all that cheap, scratchy nonsense on it. You want to make sure that you're using ceramic non-stick iron pans or stainless steel. Personally, ceramic I like is my way to go. Now, I have a number of them and work pretty well, but my next rounds of pots and pans is going to be the Green Pan at greenpan.com, featuring a non-stick, non-toxic ceramic coating derived from sand. Yes, sand, and it has no BS, no PFAS, PFOA, forever chemicals, lead, or cadmium. Number two, in air fryers. Air fryers are not a gimmick. They use rapid hot air circulation to mimic deep frying textures while using 70 to 90% less oil or no oil at all. Lower fat intake equals better insulin sensitivity, better heart health, and fewer dad bod expending calories. Now again, I have a normal Ninja one, but my next purchase is going to be a ceramic non-stick one like the ones I recently discovered right here from Dash. Number three, 10-in-1 cooker. Both steaming and pressure cooking preserve nutrients better than boiling or any other kind of cooking. And studies show that vitamin C retention can be 30 to 50% higher in pressure cooked and steamed vegetables. While slow cooking tough meats, collagen breaks down into collagen, which is great for joints, digestion, and keeping you from having a Skeletor face. Number four, as you can see way back there, glass storage. Plastic leaches endocrine disrupting chemicals like BPA and phthalates, which can really sabotage hormonal health, testosterone, cortisol, insulin. Glass storage equals much safer, durable, and keeps your flavors much more pure. Number five, measuring tools and a scale. What gets measured gets managed. Tracking portions and weighing ingredients builds awareness of calories and macronutrients, which means no guesswork. Men who track lose more fat and maintain lean mass longer. This is not complicated either, guys. It's measuring cups, measuring spoons in a digital or even just analog scale, and you're done. Number six, a super blender. Blending fiber-rich vegetables or fruit can increase nutrient absorption like carotenoids while giving you a filling meal or snack in seconds. Also, psychologically, smoothies reduce decision fatigue. One less what do I eat moment per day. They're fast, they're efficient, and they're super easy to clean. You just drop a couple drops of soap in them, whip them around, and you're done. Number seven, glass or steel coffee and kettle plus utensils. As I mentioned before, plastics leach microplastics and chemicals, especially under heat. Your morning coffee or your tea is your first fuel, so do not plastic it up. And guys, ditch the dollar store black plastic spoons, spatulas, and you opt for wood, steel, or silicone instead. Number eight, smaller plates and color. Research shows that people eat 22 to 30% more calories when given larger plates. But that's not all. Plate color can also influence perception too. You want a contrast between food and plate, which equals eating less and feeling full sooner. A simple example would be something like mashed potatoes or rice on a black plate instead of a white plate. Number nine, make it inspiring, i.e. cafe vibe. Environment cues behavior, and a clean, inspiring kitchen triggers positive eating habits. Sit down, enjoy your food, focus on flavors. Mindfulness increases satiety signals, which means those feeling full signals, and reduces overeating. Number 10, knife block and knives for every occasion. Guys, stop having just one dollar store knife. Efficiency equals consistency. You're more likely to cook when prep is easy. Sharp knives equals safer, faster, and more enjoyable cooking. Also, using the right knife for the right thing equals better cuts, more even cooking, and better texture, and just less fighting with your food overall. Number 11, green cleaners. Hydrogen peroxide, vinegar, lemon, essential oils, or at least a really good just natural soap. Effective, cheap, and free from toxic residue. Toxic cleaners can cause low levels of inflammation over time, which undermines recovery, sleep, and yes, even your metabolic health. Number 12, have a screen spot for recipes. Now, I know it's weird for somebody to say you should have more screen. Having a screen for recipes or follow-along cooking videos, like the ones I have, by the way, on my Eternian kitchen playlist, reduces decision fatigue, speeds prep, and helps you stay consistent while enjoying lots of fancy, new, and fun he-dad recipes. Number 13, herbs, spices, and simple ingredients. Capsaicin in chili peppers boosts metabolism slightly and may improve insulin sensitivity. Turmeric from curcumin fights low-grade inflammation. Garlic supports your cardiovascular, i.e. your heart health. Add flavor, eat less, keep the calories low, and stay lean. Organization and workflow. Studies show that clutter increases stress hormones like cortisol, which promotes fat storage, reduces sleep quality, and slows recovery. A clean, organized kitchen just simply means less stress, which gives you a higher motivation to cook. And speaking of being motivated, if you're ready to go from dad bod to he dad bod, jump into my No More Dad Bod Squad private club for men only to get access to my popular No More Dad Bod roadmap guide. See the show notes, type club in the comments below, scan this QR code, any of those, and I can drop you the link, because it's time to take back the power. Thanks for checking out He Dad and the Fathers of the Universe. Now, if you like this video, then I know you're gonna love this one right here. And when you're out and about driving, on a walk, playing with the kids, or just sitting at that desk but want more powerful dad bod to he dad bod info, but in your ears, then make sure to subscribe to my Barbells to Buddhas podcast on your favorite podcast app, because it's time to take back the power.